For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Rage rooms, also known as smash rooms or anger rooms, have surged in popularity as people seek unconventional outlets to relieve stress. These businesses allow customers to destroy items like electronics, furniture, or glassware in a controlled environment. If you're thinking of launching a rage room, AI can help you plan, market, and manage your business efficiently, even on a budget. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a rage room business using free AI tools. Step 1. Conduct market research using AI. Start by researching the demand for rage rooms in your area, your competition, target demographics, and potential pricing. AI can streamline this with tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard, which can help you generate a research plan, summarize competitor reviews, or analyze market trends. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT, OpenAI. Functions: summarizing web content, generating market analysis, simulating competitor benchmarking. Prompt: create a market research plan for starting a rage room business in your city, including competitor analysis and target customer profiles. You can also use free tools like Google Trends to identify whether rage rooms are gaining traction in your area and what related search terms people use. Step 2. Write a business plan with AI assistance. Once you gather your research, draft a formal business plan that outlines your vision, startup costs, equipment, staffing, pricing, and financial projections. ChatGPT can help draft the plan based on your inputs. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Functions: drafting full business plans, financial summaries, SWOT analysis. Prompt: write a business plan for a rage room startup targeting young adults in city. Include executive summary, market analysis, services, pricing, startup costs, and financial projections. This document is essential if you plan to seek loans or investors, and it's also your roadmap to execution. Step 3. Choose a location and design your space. Select a location that's affordable, accessible, and zoned appropriately for a business involving noise and destruction. Use AI-powered design tools like RoomGPT or Planner 5D to visualize your rage room layout, customer waiting areas, and safety zones. Suggested AI tool: RoomGPT. Functions: generating interior design layouts based on uploaded photos or rough room ideas. Prompt: design a rage room layout that includes 3 smash rooms, a safety area, a check-in counter, and a lounge for customers. This step will help you optimize space, improve customer experience, and meet local safety codes. Step 4. Calculate startup costs and create a budget. Estimate your startup expenses, including rent, insurance, safety gear, staff wages, breakable items, marketing, and permits. Use AI spreadsheet assistants like Google Sheets with the GPT-powered Sheet AI extension to generate cost tables and perform break-even analysis. Suggested AI tool: Sheet AI for Google Sheets. Functions: automated financial calculations, budget creation, revenue forecasts. Prompt: create a startup budget for a rage room business with $25,000 initial capital, estimating costs for location, gear, staff, and monthly operations. This step is critical to ensure you can manage your cash flow in the early months of operation. Step 5. Handle legal requirements and insurance. Check your local government's requirements for operating a business that involves liability risks. Rage rooms typically require business licenses, liability waivers for customers, and robust insurance coverage. You can use ChatGPT to help you generate waiver templates and navigate licensing requirements. Suggested AI tool: ChatGPT. Functions: drafting legal templates to be reviewed by a lawyer, summarizing local laws. Prompt: draft a basic customer liability waiver for a rage room business located in state/city, including injury risks and safety requirements. While AI can help with templates, always consult a legal professional before finalizing legal documents. Step 6. Source materials and equipment. Identify suppliers of secondhand electronics, glassware, ceramics, and furniture. Many rage room operators get items from recycling centers, junkyards, or thrift stores. You can use AI to generate supplier lists or sourcing strategies. Suggested AI tool. ChatGPT. Functions: supplier research assistance, negotiation email drafting. Prompt: list 10 potential sources for cheap or free breakable items to use in a rage room business. Also draft a sample email requesting donations from local recycling centers. Also use AI to create inventory checklists and safety equipment needs, including goggles, gloves, helmets, and coveralls. Step 7. Hire and train staff. Depending on your scale, you may need staff to manage customer check-in, clean up after sessions, and ensure safety compliance. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate job descriptions, interview questions, and training manuals. Suggested AI tool. ChatGPT. Functions: writing HR documents, job listings, and safety guides. Prompt: write a job description for a rage room attendant responsible for customer check-in, supervising sessions, and post-session cleanup. This reduces the time spent on HR setup and ensures consistent messaging to potential hires. Step 8. Develop your brand and online presence. Create a unique brand identity including name, logo, tagline, and color scheme. Free AI tools like Loca and Canva's AI-powered design tools can help you build logos and social media content. Suggested AI tools. Canva AI, logo generation, poster design, and content templates. Loca, AI-based branding and logo creation. Prompt for Canva AI. Design a logo for a rage room business called Smash City, targeting adults aged 20 to 35. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a tagline and brand story for a rage room business that helps people relieve stress in a fun, safe way. Make sure to also set up a business website and optimize it for local SEO with AI assistance. Step 9. Create a marketing plan with AI. Your marketing strategy should target people looking for stress relief, fun group activities, or unique experiences. Use ChatGPT to help you develop a marketing calendar, create social media campaigns, and write ad copy for Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Suggested AI tool. ChatGPT. Functions: campaign creation, content generation, audience targeting. Prompt: create a 30-day marketing calendar for launching a rage room business. Include social media post ideas, promotions, and event ideas. You can also use free AI video generators like Pictory or Lumen 5 to create promotional videos from text, and tools like Copy.ai for ad copy and email marketing templates. Conclusion: starting a rage room business can be a creative and rewarding endeavor, especially when you harness the power of free AI tools to save time, reduce costs, and enhance quality. From planning and branding to training and customer engagement, AI can act like your co-founder. By taking each step seriously and using AI effectively, you'll be well equipped to build a business that breaks things, so your customers don't have to. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.